This is Mark Abramson from the Bay Foundation, and he's supervising the wildlife crossing here at Liberty Canyon, and they're starting with the underpass.
Phase 1.
Phase 1. And go ahead and describe what's happening.
So basically we are connecting an existing stream bed upstream north of the 101 to the existing stream bed south of Agora Road, and mimicking that stream bed to create a corridor for wildlife to cross under the 101 freeway instead of having to travel over the 101 and having major fatalities of wildlife.
But now phase 2 is going to be the bridge over the 101.
Correct.
So right now what you're doing is you're placing these cobblestones up the what looks like the creek bed back there.
Right. We're trying to recreate the creek bed that was basically removed when they built the freeway and reconnect it to the existing upstream and downstream sections of the creek. And that will serve as a corridor, right? Because a lot of wildlife travel through creek beds to go from place to place.
And I see you've already put the fence on the other side of the freeway, so it kind of directs them to go under the underpass.
Right, so Caltrans has improved the fencing, they've made it taller, they've also connected it to the ground so you can't sniggle under it. And so it's encouraging wildlife to go where we want them to cross instead of trying to cross over the freeway.